Hi and welcome. This is the first tutorial on this channel, and today we are going to create a unique creative style lower thirds. First, we need a new composition in After Effects on a full HD resolution. Okay, we are going to set this to 10 seconds. Afterwards, we are opening Notepad or any other text editor that you might prefer, and we are going to save this for this title here. Who am I? And now we need a clean background, and we are going to print screen this. Okay, and now in Photoshop we just open the screenshot that we just made, and all we need is to clear this extra text. Great, so we are going to clear things up here. Okay, so now we are going to save this Photoshop file to Notepad actually, and this we are going to bring it in After Effects, and we need this composition, retain layer sizes. Great. Okay, after we need an we need to move this to change the anchor point. So now we are going to animate the position, but first we change the position to be in the final position where the lower third should be. Something like this. And we are going from here to here. Also this one. Okay. F9. And we are going to activate the motion blur just to make things a little bit nicer. Nice. So this notepad will be here, and we are going to work only with the mouse cursor. So this is where the fun part began. Here, this one is going here. Nice. And here the cursor should change. Like this. So we are going to parent the position from this cursor. Actually, let's change. Okay. And also change the anchor point for this one. Parent everything. Nice. Okay. Yes, something like this. So now we have to get rid of this and also change the motion blur. Nice. Cool. And now we will add the text. I'm using Verdana for this one. You can use, what do you want? Okay. And we will apply to this one an effect called typewriter. And we are going to change the animation. Okay. So my cursor should be here. But I need it. Okay. Also, the opacity on this one from here. Okay. Nice. What do we have until now? Great. So now we are going to focus on outro animation. And for this one, we will animate the mouse cursor. So okay, so now we need to make a few more print screens. We need to take this color code and create here nice. Okay, so here we are going to stay for a while. And now this one from here is going to somewhere else. Okay. All we need now is sound design. So for this one, here we have a click. Okay, so this was it for this video. In the next video I will gonna show you how to make this lower third working for like and subscribe that you saw earlier. So thanks for this one and see you guys soon.